So maybe you put your windows down in your house and your car, save some money on your electric bill, your AC. Probably dying and it's not going to move straight down I-16, but boy, could we use some of those showers, because look at the pollen count in the extreme, and it's coming right onto the shoreline, and that is affecting our beach weather. So one thing that we do need to warn you about, first to know, when you head out the door, we have a moderate risk of rip currents today. Right now, our bus stop forecast shows our temperatures are a little on the chilly side with a northeast breeze at 10 miles per hour. So take that coat, that slicker, and those boots, and those temperatures won't warm too much in the afternoon. It'll still be wet and chilly. Breeze said that it was about 5 miles away from Myrtle Beach and 15 miles away from North Myrtle Beach. And if it was moving at 45 miles per hour, that was the 5 o'clock advisory. Do the math.
Right,
so it should be making landfall. Your inbox should be blowing up. Your Twitter feed should be blowing up pretty soon. And the National Hurricane Center pretty much is going to say that it made landfall around 6 a.m. this morning. So right now on WTOC, you are learning that Anna making landfall.
Week of the Masters.
Yeah.
Woo, woo. Ben Williamson in for Dawn. He'll be back tomorrow, so don't worry.
And I'm Cyria Sandlin. Let's go and check in now with Jamie Ertl. We had some really good weather this weekend, but got some changes coming, Jamie.
We do. I don't think you're going to get a whoop whoop from me in the weather lab.
And if you are getting out there, Jamie, guess what I have today?
Kickball.
I do. I have my big game. And guess what? I got MVP last week. So it should be a good day for that and anything else you're planning on doing outside.
You're on the D team, though. I mean, how
I'm on like not even the D team. I'm on like the practice squad. But I still got MVP. So.
The best person on the D team. All right.
38 minutes ago.
Exactly, Ben, and it will slowly move up the coast of Carolina and North Carolina. At 45 miles per hour, it's going to lose a little bit of strength that it's making landfall, but still it's going to bring a lot of rain, and the pressure is starting to rise now, so that's good news, and the winds are down to 45 miles per hour, which is very weak. Tropical storm. 45 miles per hour is when it's upgraded to a tropical storm, and right now it's going to be an area of low pressure as it moves over land. Probably when the National Hurricane Center puts out its next alert, which is 11 o'clock. And we'll be here for you online for that as well. Beaufort Memorial Skycam showing that our temperature on Hilton Head is 68 degrees with humidity of 94%. And we're bringing that feels like temperature back into the forecast. Yeah, so if the temperature says 68, it may feel like 70. And we'll talk about that in just a bit. But satellite and radar showing some light clouds across the area, and right now they're in Glenville. And you see the motion of that right there. It goes down through Jessup, and it's going to exit the coast of Brunswick, and that is from Tropical Storm Anna. But what is not from Tropical Storm Anna are rip currents. Our rip currents are low, finally, along all our area beaches from Hunting Island to Jekyll. So with a west-southwest breeze at 10 to 15 today on Hilton Head and a little less on Tybee, it should be a great day for the beach. Just be prepared for a possible sea breeze that moves inland and gives us a chance of a shower or maybe even a rumble of thunder. Right now, our temperatures with clear skies inland, 68. Along the coast, a little bit warmer, 66 in Savannah, 67 in Hinesville. And as we plan your day for you, our temperatures will be warming. 68, calm and quiet by 8 a.m. with a mix of sun and clouds. Mix of sun and clouds a little brighter than yesterday. I know those clouds looked a little ominous, and we saw little tiny sprinkles on our windshields and a shower or two in the low country, but we're not going to see that today. Like I said, the feels like factor comes back. By 5 o'clock, we're 86 degrees, and it may feel like 88. The feels like factor will be in effect tomorrow as well, when we hit temperatures in the 90s. And I'm going to let you know, since a little muggy, a little buggy out there by sunset. So make sure, we've had a break from the gnats lately, but make sure you put your sunscreen and your bug screen on today. The dew point, we're talking about that. It's right where sticky meets uncomfortable, so just be prepared for that feels like condition out there. In your Mother's Day forecast, 88 degrees is the high with a 20% of a possible shower. Right now, your first alert forecast shows we have a better chance for showers tomorrow. 30%, high of 89. Tuesday, 91. Very muggy and buggy, so be prepared for that. But a front makes its way through, bringing us back down to the middle to lower 80s by the end of the work week. Ben?
Jamie, bug screen. I have never heard of the phrase bug screen, but I need to go get me a bottle of bug screen later today. All right.